If you look at high-end computer builds today, you will inevitably see the fishtank PC. These are elaborate, glass-paneled cases flooded with RGB lighting, where enthusiasts place small anime figurines inside to create a glowing, high-tech diorama. Chinese tech creator SodaBaka decided to take this internet aesthetic to its logical extreme. Inspired by a skit where a frustrated mother yells at her kid, "You play computer games all day, why don't you just live in a computer?" He decided to do exactly that. He constructed a custom PC tower so massive that when he sits inside at his desk, the scale tricks your eye. Surrounded by oversized, glowing components, the human creator looks exactly like one of those tiny plastic figurines trapped inside a standard desktop rig. Scaling up an internet aesthetic certainly makes for an incredibly clickable thumbnail, but taking a human body and sealing it inside a machine introduces immediate, dangerous physics problems. High-end gaming computers are essentially small space heaters. The internal processors generate massive amounts of concentrated thermal energy, which has to be rapidly moved away from the silicon to prevent a total system crash. This cross-section shows the core issue. Heat radiates off the motherboard and graphics card, bouncing off the thick glass walls and filling the chamber. Applying this thermal logic to a room-sized case is identical to locking yourself inside a sealed greenhouse. This creates a lethal engineering problem. How do you sit inside a giant heat-trapping box without roasting alive? To create the illusion, SodaBaka fabricated an array of massive, oversized replica PC parts. He built giant spinning case fans, hulking graphics cards, and enormous sticks of RAM, bathing all of it in vibrant RGB lighting. He then cleverly integrated functional technology into the massive plastic props. The oversized AIO CPU cooler actually features a real functioning screen, one large enough to serve as his primary gaming monitor. The completed setup is visually flawless. SodaBaka sits at a compact desk entirely enclosed within the giant neon-lit rig, playing a video game as if he were simply another component on the motherboard. But the design has a glaring physical flaw. The giant cooling components, specifically the massive spinning case fans, are entirely decorative. They provide absolutely zero functional airflow to the interior space. Those giant plastic parts lack the ability to generate the scorching heat of a real microprocessor. To simulate the thermal load of a high-end gaming PC at this scale, the creator had to artificially manufacture an extreme climate. His solution was to bring real hot-coal sauna installations directly into the enclosed glass computer room. He pours water directly onto the glowing red-hot coals, instantly flashing it into thick steam to rapidly escalate the humidity inside the sealed environment. Within minutes, the interior atmosphere rockets past 100 degrees Fahrenheit, or 38 degrees Celsius. The creator is now trapped in a sweltering, humid, neon-lit oven of his own making, sweating profusely, while his giant, decorative PC fans spin uselessly in the background. With the internal temperature climbing toward dangerous levels, Baka abandons the pretense of PC cooling and reaches for a standard handheld remote. He powers on the actual cooling mechanism, saving him from the heat, a pre-installed, industrial-grade 12-kilowatt Medea 3rd Gen Pro air conditioning unit. This 3D volumetric diagram illustrates the sheer scale of the unit's cooling capacity. Pumping 820 cubic meters of air circulation per hour, the AC unit aggressively pushes out the trapped heat waves, instantly dropping the temperature and transforming the box into a cool room. This painstaking, highly engineered DIY project served a very specific purpose. It was a perfectly disguised, covert commercial for the Medea air conditioner. This is a textbook execution of Trojan Horse marketing. By launching the video just as the summer months approach, Medea and SodaBaka hid a seasonal appliance advertisement inside the highly clickable format of a tech enthusiast build video. Modern audiences have developed ad blindness. They skip standard sponsorship reads. To bypass this reflex, creators must weave the product directly into the physical DNA of the spectacle itself. By the time the video ends, millions of people have watched a 5-minute air conditioner commercial in its entirety, simply because the visual illusion was too compelling to look away from.